So in this video, we are going to be solving another problem on Rankine cycle. Just in case you missed the first video, please do well to look at the comment section of this video and you're going to find a link that will take you directly to the first video. Now this question says, a steam power plant operates on an ideal Rankine cycle. Steam enters the turbine at 3 megapascal and leaves the condenser at 20 kilopascal. The turbine work is 850 kilojoules per kilograms and pump work is 10 kilojoules per kilogram. Heat supplied in the boiler is 2500 kilojoules per kilogram. Question says determine I, network output, II, thermal efficiency, III, specific steam consumption. Okay. So basically we don't need to draw any diagram. The parameters are already given to us and they are very clear. Let's pick out all that we were given in that question. Okay, so we're given the initial pressure P1 equals 3 megapascal. We're given P2 equals 20 kilopascal. The turbine work is 850 kilojoules per kilogram, so turbine work WT equals 850 kilojoules per kilogram. The pump work was given. Pump work is 10 kilojoules per kilograms. And the heat supplied in the boiler, so heat input or QS, heat supplied, is equal to 2500 kilojoules per kilogram. So we are asked to find first the network output. Our network equals turbine work minus pump work. So network equals turbine work is 850, pump work is 10. So this simply gives us 840 kilojoules per kilogram. This becomes our network. Second question says thermal efficiency. Efficiency equals network all over heat supplied multiplies 100%. So network is 840 divides heat supplied from the equation is 2500. So divides 2500 multiplies 100%. This simply implies that our efficiency is equal to, so let's get that value, 33.6%. That's our efficiency. Final question says specific steam consumption. SSC, specific steam consumption, equals 3600 divided by network. And the unit is in kilograms per kilowatt hour. So this is 3600 divides network, which gave us 840 kilograms per kilowatt hour. So our specific steam consumption is equal to, that's 4.29 approximately, 4.29 kilograms per kilowatt hour. So it's as simple as this for that given question. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.